For fire protection purposes, the regulations split cargo and baggage compartments, not occupied by crew or passengers, into 5 classes, classes A through to E. There are different regulations for each class of compartment. A Class A compartment is one in which the presence of a fire would be easily discovered by a crew member whilst at his station, and for which each part of the compartment is easily accessible in flight. Typically, a Class A compartment is a small open compartment in the cockpit used for the storage of crew luggage. A Class B cargo or baggage compartment is one in which there is sufficient access in flight to enable a crew member to effectively reach any part of the compartment with the contents of a handheld fire extinguisher. It must be demonstrated in a test that when the access provisions are being used, no hazardous quantity of smoke, flames or extinguishing agent will enter any compartment occupied by the crew or passengers. The compartment must have a separate approved smoke detector or fire detector system to give warning to the pilot or flight engineer station. These compartments are often found on combi types of aircraft, where passengers are seated on the same deck as freight. A Class C cargo or baggage compartment is one not meeting the requirements for either a Class A or B compartment. It must have a separate approved smoke detector or fire detector system to give warning at the pilot or flight engineer station. There must be an approved built-in fire extinguishing or suppression system controllable from the cockpit. There must be means to exclude hazardous quantities of smoke, flames, or extinguishing agent from any compartment occupied by the crew or passengers. And there must be means to control ventilation and drafts within the compartment, so that the extinguishing agent used can control any fire that may start within the compartment. Most passenger aircraft underfloor baggage and freight compartments are Class C. Class D compartments are no longer permitted. A Class E cargo compartment is one on aeroplanes used only for the carriage of cargo. The compartment must have a separate approved smoke or fire detector system to give warning at the pilot or flight engineer station. There must be a means to shut off the ventilating airflow to or within the compartment, and the controls for these means must be accessible to the flight crew in the crew compartment. There must be means to exclude hazardous quantities of smoke, flames or noxious gases from the flight crew compartment, and the required crew emergency exits must be accessible under any cargo loading condition. Class E compartments do not require fire extinguishing systems. Here is a table listing the regulations for the 5 classes of cargo compartment.